Welcome to another random YouTube video. I would love to purchase an authentic Hermes scarf, but I won't because I'm the type of person that would lose it or ruin it. I have found two sources for very reasonably priced printed scarves. The first one is Chico's. I purchased these two scarves at Chico's. Chico's scarves run around $50, but often can be found on sale for more than half price. These two scarves were purchased from Your Smile on Amazon. They have a large selection of prints and they run about $10 each. I've had this last scarf for a while. I think it's a Chico's purchase, but I can't remember. I found some great YouTube videos on how to tie scarves. Actually, flight attendants have the best scarf tying tips, so I've included my favorite one. Check out the description for links to the full scarf tying tip videos. That was a tongue twister. If you are like me and tend to dress in monochromatic colors, scarves are a great way to add a pop of color. I think it's the fact that you took the extra time to put on the scarf that adds that touch of classiness.